despair. After loads of times I've wasted on the desert air, I come around hoping to get washed away inside, to get blended into curtain in the fading light. It's a thing I can't deny. When my hopes are high, I keep singing with the wind. Let's go keeping up the way we've been. For the last of years we tried and cut the flow. It's a complimentary passion still, just remembering to never let it go. I come around Wednesday, after times of disarray, after bits and bytes of unauthored jabberay. I'll be around quarter to the next fulfilling two. When my head is spinning, I can't stop to think of you. It's a thing no one can know. I'm climbing up from down below with the one letting me go. Let's go keeping up the way we've been. For the last of years we tried and cut the flow. And it's a complimentary passion still, just remembering to never let it go. But a time so hard